ranking dogs, that kinda understand English. But first, you have to subscribe and comment heart if you love your dogs.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Your mom looks like a dog.
No, you're not getting dinner. You're bad. No, you're not getting dinner.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Angel, I was thinking about going for a walk.
What face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
Want a treat?